When we're working with models, quite often components get in the way of other components we want to examine and report back to other users or members of the project. We have component handling tools we can use to deal with this. These are available from this drop down, and the two basic ones we'll look at initially are hide and transparent. Very often we're just dealing with one or two components, and it's easier to deal with these from the right click shortcut. So let's start just by zooming in a little bit, and it may be I want to highlight this handrail for discussion, but there's some window components, maybe some wall components, and maybe the roof are in the way of what I'm trying to show. So there's two options we can use. We can right click and we can say make transparent, and the glass is already transparent, but what this does is convert the frame also to transparent, so we can see through all parts of this. If that's not quite enough, we can right click and we can also hide. So if there's a few elements or components to be done in this way, then the right click is the easiest method. Alternatively, what we can do is use this pull down, and if we set transparent this time, we can then left click and we can pick multiple components to make them transparent. If you've already clicked on them, when you click on them again, they revert to their normal status. If I press number 7, this gives me the shortcut for hide, and we can start to pick components, and this will completely hide them from the view. At any time, if we want to return to normal, we can press the Show All button to return the model to its default visualization state. As you can see, we're only changing the appearance and visibility of the components using these tools. Another method we can use is if I want to remove all the windows, is we can use these component handling tools here, where I can come in and say simply show or hide. In this case they're shown, so I'm going to hide the windows, and you'll see those are now all removed. I could do the same with doors, and if we return the zoom to normal, you can see the impact this has had. The final option we have to hide components is to place the mouse over a free area, click and hold, and then drag, and we can do a selection window, which is going to hide everything fully inside that window. Or we can do the same thing but in reverse order, so click and hold, drag, it tells me I'm going to hide. This time a crossing window is going to hide everything that just remotely touches that window. And of course, once we've finished working with the building, we can press the Show All button to return it to its default visualization state.